Hi, I'm Xochi, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Denali Aire 8K unit. This unit is compact and easy to install, perfect for small spaces. Let's get started. For this install, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a drill, a level, a pencil, scissors, and a tape measure. Next, you need to determine where you want to put your unit. Today, I will be placing it in my living room. Your window must have a width of at least 23 inches and open to a height of 14.5 inches to accommodate the unit. Make sure your unit is within 5 feet of an outlet to make sure the power cord can reach comfortably. Unbox the unit. Make sure to place all parts to the side so they can be easily located during installation. Now that your pre-installation is complete, next you must install your top rail. Align the holes of the top rail with the holes on top of the unit. Then use the 3/8 inch screws to secure the rail to the unit. Next, you need to install your accordion panel. Slide the free end of the panel into the side rail of the unit. Once the panels are in place, slide the top and bottom rails of the panels into the top and bottom rails of the unit. Next, you want to place your unit in the window. Make sure the unit is tilted down towards the outside for proper drainage. Close the window onto the top rail to hold the unit in place. Once the unit is secure, extend the accordion panels to fit the window. Cut the supplied insulation foam to the width of the window, then insert it between the window sashes to prevent airflow. Use half-inch screws to securely attach the top of the accordion panels and the top rail to the window sash. Place the sash lock on top of the window sash and secure it in place with 3/4 inch screws. All that's left to do is to plug your unit in. And your unit's ready to go. Thanks for watching and enjoy!